Welcome everyone to another Salvage Garage video. In this video, we take this 2014 F-150 and rebuild it. Looking at the auction pictures, we saw that this thing was pretty dinged up in the front, but looking closely at it, there's not really any structural damage. And after inspecting the pictures and seeing that, we just had to bid on this truck. And after winning the final bid and taking this baby home, we looked in the bed and we found that the headlights were still good. Both the driver and the passenger side headlights were good, including the brackets and everything. So now the only thing we're concerned about is the grille and the front bumper. Starting with the grille, we got this platinum styled grille, and all we have to do with it is put the hardware on it and it'll be good to go. And taking a look at the old unit, you could definitely tell she got pretty smashed. Everything was bent and or broken on it. So we just stripped it all the way down. And after slapping it all together and putting it on the truck, I can tell you it looks pretty darn good. Now to put the bumper on, we gotta unbend this little tongue here. And it's not too much because it's a pretty thin metal. We could just unbend it here at home. Now, unfortunately, I don't have any video of the bumper and or installing it, but we slapped it together and it looks pretty proper. And if you're wondering how much this cost us, we paid for the truck around $7,000 and ended up fixing it for around $500. So in total we spent around $7,500 to fix this thing up. And in the grand scheme of things, that's a pretty fantastic numbers because usually these things run you 11 to 12 grand used. So I think that's a pretty good deal we got. That's going to be it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and check out our other content because we got a ton of things with some cool cars. See you!